Hi everyone, Prema from Airbus. So I've been with Airbus for 9 years now and done varied roles, enjoying myself here. Currently, I head inclusion and diversity and culture and change for Airbus India. Why diversity for Airbus? For Airbus, we see inclusion and diversity goes hand in hand, and it's of equal prominence. Every day, our employees express their unique voices and draw from their rich experiences to bring in fresh ideas and innovation into our company. And that is why we are committed to foster inclusion and diversity at a workplace that welcomes everyone.
The first question is a discussion on increasing women's participation in your companies. We would like for you to talk about an initiative taken by your company that has been very successful in increasing the number of women being hired in your workplace. And these can include any of the below. Specific policies to attract and retain women, specific hiring initiatives to increase women being hired, or women returnee programs and/or women returnee programs to increase women's re-entry into your workspace. Could I please ask Prema to go first?
Okay, when we talk about increasing the numbers, we at Airbus, in addition to the dedicated drives or the university hiring we focus, the specific one today I want to share is on the women returnee program. The reason behind is that it's been a significant one because we have put in a lot of thought process into it. How do we support these women who want to return back to work? So while we were designing this program, while crafting it, we have, followed the design thinking approach. So we kind of, aligned with all the stakeholders, be it could be HR business partners, the organization, the recruiters, and the managers. So we reached out to the returnees who are already in the organization and we spoke to all of them and see what is that requires for us to create an ecosystem that supports these returnees to come back and flourish and start, focusing on the aspiration while they contribute to the organization. So the focus way of approach that we took was we first created an ecosystem. So we said, okay, let's have a guideline for these women returnees when they come. So our system is well prepared to kind of, support them in their journey. So we did a sensitization programs for the technical panelists, the hiring managers, and the teams here. We also try to focus on the unconscious bias and the stereotypes, how we kind of, address these, topics. And from the recruitment stage perspective, we try to, kind of sensitize the recruiters as well. And then we wanted to, see how we give that confidence to the women returners when they, decide to, come back. So we partnered with, the partners like Jobs for Her in the organization who can kind of, support us in this journey so that through them we can kind of, give them the confidence and what is that they can kind of be prepared when they want to take up these jobs. One specific aspect I want to kind of highlight here is that when we were designing the thought process was it's not about giving them the internship. We thought that it's if they have a fire in the belly, let's offer them the full-time employment and give them the support that is required to uh, to flourish in the role that they aspire to be. So what we did was we kind of aligned with the hiring managers on the credentials, that is the competency levels that is required for each of the job openings, and we try to kind of align with the competency gaps through the interview assessment that we conduct. And the shortlisted ones, when they onboard us, we could kind of have a laid out plan for them. Okay, in the first initial few months, be it could be 3 to 6 months, how is that in a dedicated focused training, it could be on job, off job, technical, that is the functional areas, or the non-technical ones that they can go through. And at the same time, we had a buddy system that put in place. So the buddies from the technical side of it, the tag team, that is a project teams, so they get a kind of a holistic approach in terms of to the role and the kind of system that we have at Airbus. So this kind of supported and well appreciated by the attorneys that we have already onboarded, and it's working out very good for us. The impact is that today, when we talk about, we are able to successfully onboard them, and we have the women attorneys who are doing well in their role, and they have become the ambassadors for us, and talk about it to the other attorneys.
That's fabulous. Thank you so much for sharing, Prema.